Welcome to my channel. I am Yola Soto. I am going to teach you how to make Mexican rice or red rice today. We're going to need 2 cups of rice, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 small onion, 1 clove of garlic, fresh garlic. I'm going to use 1 spoon of chicken bouillon and a little bit of oil. This recipe is so simple, so fast, and so good. I already put the oil in my pan. Now I'm going to add my rice. And I'm going to stir until my rice is a little bit kind of like a brown pink. I told you when it's almost done. You have to let it brown, otherwise your rice gets all mushy. That's my secret. I have to let the rice like the right consistency or the right color. I am still stirring my rice. It's not quite pink or a little bit brown yet. So I'm going to keep stirring until it's kind of like I said, pinkish brown, something like that. Now you can see my rice. It looks a little bit more like a brown, pinkish color. I'm going to add my onion now. I chop it, cut it in small pieces. I'm going to add it. And I'm going to keep stirring until my rice is completely brown. Not completely brown, but like pinky brownish color. It's not ready yet, but it's almost ready. But I always put the onion just before I put the tomato sauce and the garlic. Okay, the rice is ready. So I'm going to put the tomato sauce on it. And I'm going to stir. Then I'm going to add the 4 cups of water. I usually use 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. And then I keep adding slowly more water if I think the rice needs more. So here is the rest of the water. Now I'm going to put like the 1 spoon of chicken bouillon. Sometimes if I have like a fresh chicken soup, I put fresh chicken soup and it tastes much better. But I didn't have any this time, so I'm using the chicken bouillon. And then you can put salt to taste, how much salt you want to add in there. And then I'm going to put the whole clove right in there. And that's my secret, so the rice get fluffy, and doesn't get all smushy. I check my rice once in a while to see if it still needs water. So far I still have some water. I will check it in a little bit again. I'm going to add a little bit of water to my rice because you can tell, if you can see, some of the rice look still pretty white. That means it's not done yet. So I just going to add like a little bit in different spots. And then I'm going to check it again to see if it's done. If not, I keep adding water until it gets done. Well, this is how my rice look. It's all done. Let's see if you like it. If you like it, please comment, subscribe, and put a like and my channel. Well, my rice is done, and that's how it looks. I tried it already and it's so delicious. I'm going to eat it with a tamal, but you can make it and eat it with whatever you want. Enchiladas, tacos, etc. By itself. It's even really good.